Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will learn about consonant. First, you must know what is the consonant. What are consonant? Consonant is the sound are produced by blocking the flow of the air as it leaves the mouth. There are many ways of blocking the air, and various tongue, lip, and jaw position are required in order to create accurately the consonant of English. How are consonants are produced? The first one, the position of vocal cord. Second one, the place of articulation. In the place of articulation have 7 types. Is bilabial, labiodental, interdental, alveolar, palatal, velar, and glottal. The last one, the consonant produced by the manner of articulation. In English, we have 21 letters, and also we have combined consonant. Combined consonant is when a single consonant followed by the other consonant or vowel and then make the different sound. It's called combined consonant. Next, we will discuss about similar between the Indonesian consonant and English consonant. In Indonesia and in English, we can find B, D, F, G, H, K, L, M, N, P, R, or R, S, T, and W. And they almost have similarity in pronunciation. Example, in Indonesia, bunda, kaki, mata, panas, permen. In English, is back, kilo, mother, bus, and man. Both of them using Roman letter and has same number of consonant is 21 letters. And both of them has combined consonant. Example, in Indonesia, gayung, payung, bangkrut. In English, thing and mango. And we also difference. We also have difference between Indonesian and English consonant. Indonesian and English have some similar letters. In several words, they have different sound. They are C or C. Example, in Indonesia is kacang. In English is car. Second one is G. In Indonesia, G. Example, in Indonesia, generasi. In English is general. And also is H. In Indonesia is H. Example, in Indonesia, hari. In English, we have hour. In several sound, Indonesian doesn't have English sound. Example, tree, that, English, and pleasure. In Indonesian, sound F and V are the same sound, but in English, they are different. Example, in Indonesia, Savitri or Virgiawan. It's same sound without any obstruction. In English, we have fantasy or village. They are obstruction. And in Indonesia is novel. In English is novel. Some letter, but different sound. Okay. Why we do error? Yeah. The first is Indonesian interference. The second one is carelessness. The third one is bad habits. And the last one is mobile tongue. That's, I think, enough for the material of consonant. If you have any question, you can ask via WhatsApp or WhatsApp group. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.